place. I am told that not even a single first grade comes from our primary and secondary school. We can change that. Museveni is keeping you slaves in your own country. We must end this slavery in our own country. We must have our land to ourselves. I know the elders know what I am talking about. If we come together, we can end 35 years of slavery. We can end 35 years of dictatorship. We can end 35 years of tribalism. We can end 35 years of land grabbing. We can end 35 years of murder and violence. So now as we proceed to keep them, please make sure that you send this message to everybody. Thank you very much. As you can see the cut. Let's keep moving, let's keep moving, let's keep moving. We are talking to you as a mover. Please take the message to everybody. Yeah, it's a very important message. Please give that message to everybody that you see. Send the message far and wide. Yeah, and when you go to remember our brother Amena. He is also running for MP. Amena is also using the symbol of the umbrella. So when you see the umbrella, just pick the umbrella. And you can go to the new Uganda together. Remember, it is your God that can fix your roads. It is your God that can end poverty. It is your God that can bring a new Uganda. Even if they bring for you money for one day, they want to keep you slaves for the next 10 years. And we can end the slavery, my brothers and sisters. I know many people have been intimidated so that they don't come to listen to me. Have been intimidated so that they don't come to listen to us. I send that message and make sure everybody knows. We must keep Museveni out. Museveni must go. Land grabbers must go. Murderers must go. We can do it together. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. Thank you very much for God and our country. I know God is going to protect us and is going to protect you. And I want to come back here moving on good roads because you also deserve it. Thank you very much for God and my country. Women, we are fighting for freedom. Remember the umbrella. Thank you.